So I recently made my first fountain pen order. I got a Lamy Safari and I'm so excited to open this. I purchased this Lamy from gouletpens.com. And the fountain pen color that I got was their petrol color, which is like this beautiful like teal azure kind of thing. I've been really attracted to this color lately. Usually I say that my favorite color is purple, but honestly lately it's been this kind of color. All right, how do you do this? So you remove that somehow. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, actually, you know something? I'm gonna go ahead and load this with black ink, which I did get because I don't like blue ink at all. Can we just take a moment to appreciate like how cute and tiny this box of cartridges is? Like guys, I'm so new to this whole fountain pen experience, so everything is so adorable to me, I guess. Okay, so how do we do this? Did I do it wrong? I probably did it wrong. Okay, so looks like this is preloaded. I love how matte this feels. All right, now I'm gonna test out my new pen in my bullet journals. All right, I don't think I'm ready for this, but oh well. Okay, so it writes really smoothly. My handwriting is atrocious, goodness gracious. To be honest, one of the sole reasons why I was so skeptical about getting a fountain pen was because I did not think that it would write well in print, because I usually write in print whenever I journal and stuff. And I always thought that it was mostly for people who wrote in cursive. But it works so nice. Oh my gosh, I love it. It writes so nicely. I love the sound of it. I'm literally just writing nonsense. So, okay, so the paper I'm using is the Leuchtturm 1917 paper, so that's how that works. It takes a bit to dry, I guess. Okay, so this is my current bullet journal, so I guess it'll work well with my current notebook system, and the color matches perfect. I mean, everything goes with white, so oh my gosh, what a lovely pair. A Lamy Safari and a Leuchtturm 1917. That's perfect. But what I'm really curious about is how the color compares to the Traveler's Notebook Olive Edition. I feel like the color of the year was green for some reason. This is kind of green. It looks odd, to be honest. That's fine. I'm mostly gonna be, I don't really have plans for the olive edition quite yet. I got it because I was just so obsessed with it. I'm mostly going to be using the camel one, which I will be setting up. I'm still kind of planning my setup and getting supplies for it. The colors complement each other so nicely. Now to see how the ink performs on the Traveler's Notebook paper. So the paper I'm using is the blank paper that comes with the Traveler's Notebook. So I guess the Midori paper, if it writes so smoothly. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Ah, my heart just kind of palpitates with joy. Oh, I missed an L. Very nice, Michelle. Very nice. Hey! Oh my gosh! This is so nice. And as you can see, I still have to like use my Traveler's Notebook. It'll be well loved, I promise. Okay, so another notebook that I usually use a lot are these mini Moleskines, which, as you can see, it's mini size and it gets thrown in bags and gets damaged. Alright, so I'm just gonna find another blank page here because this is where I just put my projects. Random writing on the go. Gonna see how it performs on here. Works very nicely. So I'm pretty sure, yeah. I'll probably invest in some blotting paper. But yeah, this has been the Lamy Safari in Petrol unboxing. So yeah, and of course I like black ink. Yay. Alright, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching.